How to fix display black and white in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, turn off color adjustment. Open setting now. In setting, scroll down, click on search bar, search color correction. Now click on color correction and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off color adjustment from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off dark mode. Open setting, scroll down, again click on search bar, search dark mode. Now click on dark mode. Now here you will see two options, dark mode and light mode. And if you want to turn off dark mode, then click on light mode. After click on light mode, dark mode will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off sleep mode. Open setting, search sleep mode. Now click on sleep mode and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off sleep mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Open setting, scroll down, click on about phone. Scroll down, click on factory reset. Click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, contact, photo and video, apps, accounts, backup, SD card data, other items on this device will be permanently deleted or erased from your phone. This is how you can fix display black and white in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.